Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the HTTP error 400, please make sure you watch the following steps. Now the first issue could be as simple as a forward slash at the end of the text in the URL. So if you see this URL, it's working for me, but sometimes what happens is if this forward slash is there, it might not recognize the URL, the browser might not recognize. So what we need to do is just delete the forward slash and press enter, and that should clear up the problem for you. Now if that doesn't work, then another thing that we could do is check the internet speed. So we do that by going to fast.com, which is an excellent site to check your speed. And as we can see, the speed is around 200 megabytes per second. So if it's some below 20 megabytes per second, if there's some problem with the internet, this error could show up. Now if this doesn't clear the issue, a third option we have is to clear the browser cache and the cookies. So this method that I'm telling you is the same for Bing, the browser which I'm using, and for Chrome, for Firefox, and all other browsers. So how do we clear the browser cache and cookies? So we click on the three dots here, we go to history, and we look for delete browsing data, and we select all time, and we check these boxes, cookies and other cached images and files, and we press clear now. Once this is cleared, we have to restart the browser. Now, if all these methods do not work for you, then the age old time and tested method is to restart the computer. So how do we do that? We left click on the start button. We locate the power button here in the bottom right hand side. Left click on it and click on restart. And that should solve the problem. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.